So I think it was around the age of 12 where I realized that I was an empath. Fast forward to when I began the practice of law, I saw myself becoming emotionally invested in my clients' cases because I could feel their emotions. Your emotions compel you to fix it, I don't know if avenge is too strong a word, but maybe it's not. And I know that when I feel it.
I feel like I leaned on Mark very much. He was there for me. And there are certain things about the case that only Mark and I know about, very personal details about the death. And so you can't just share that with anybody. And I feel like Mark understood my pain in trying to balance all of those things and provide for my son and continue working. And I knew with Mark handling everything that eventually he would close everything out and that it would be okay. And I knew because he was from South Texas, I knew because, he was from a small town. If you can come out of Kingsville, Texas and go all the way to Harvard, you're who I need on my team.
When you grow up in a trailer park, people look down on you. And so, you get to make a decision about whether or not you're going to view yourself through their eyes. And once you realize that in the end, all that matters is the way that you feel about yourself, then you enable yourself to dream a little bit big.
His pedigree's unparalleled. I mean, you don't come across many Harvard lawyers in South Texas. I've had the honor of being opposing counsel to Mark, and he asks questions and digs into details that we don't traditionally see. And that does distinguish him very, very much so.
It is nothing for me to get up at 4:00 in the morning and go down and work. Not because I'm working up against any deadline, but just because I'm inspired to fix it. You come to realize that really all that matters is to help others. I think it's a Persian proverb that we go down to our death, holding only that which we've given away. And I know that I feel the best about myself when I've helped others.